Good evening and welcome to my end of the week recap here for Apple and trade plan for next week. In the last 2 weeks, I've taken one trade. That was here on the 14th. Got in these 19 July 195 calls here. You can zoom in a little bit. You can see a nice double bottom off the 8 EMA. Held those for 2 days and closed out here at 8.75. I wanted to get $9, but it looked like it was rejecting pretty hard, so I just dumped it right there. Later in that day, looked like a bull flag setup. You can see I bought the breakout here at 47, closed out immediately at 55. Once a big seller hit the tape, you can see this huge volume. There was absolutely no follow through. It popped up, came right back down through that candle, and there was no point to hold it after that point. Later on in the day and the week, you can see there's no other notes. Took no new trades here in Apple. And what I'm looking for here are pullbacks to support the 850 or 200 moving averages, as well as the 8, 50, 21, and 200 moving averages. So those are the different levels that I'm looking at. There is a potential measured move that I see above 96, which is where we're already at, to about 208. So we'll look to try and swing something for that kind of move, although with bull flags, especially with Apple, I'd say here's the bull flag that's set up from here to here essentially. And we have, this is the flag. What they like to do, what Apple likes to do is come up, pop through it, come back down, and test somewhere within the apex, maybe drop back through it, and then rally higher. So pull back to any significant support here. I'll look for somewhat of a significant swing trade here in Apple up to about here, this 208 level. So for now, simple, easy plan for Apple going forward. Earnings are in a couple of weeks. Any options I do take will be in expiration before that. So for now, that's what I'm looking at in Apple. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Have a good evening and good luck.